I'm Barry Weller, I'm the Product Manager here at Mitsubishi Electric UK. Today I'm showing one of our industrial robots that's being used in a collaborative application. So the robot here, rather than being protected by a fixed guard, it's actually protected by a SICK area scanner that enables the robot to be able to interact with instead of being hidden behind a barrier. So what I'll be able to do is, as I approach the robot, you'll notice the speed of the robot changes, it slows down, so now it's safe for me to be in and around. And if I get very close to the robot, it actually stops, meaning that I can load or unload components from the machine safely without any kind of collision. And as soon as I leave the safety areas, the robot will automatically restart, enabling it to go back to full production cycle speed.